Today's project actually is going to cost about 80 cents to build, and it's going to produce a woodworking project worth around 25 bucks. 25 bucks. That's 31 times increase from what you started with, and it's not going to take very long. 16-inch 2x4, a few pocket hole screws, some glue, and some stain. Let me show you how it's done. I start here by ripping off the edge of the 2x4. Then I set the saw to 3/4 of an inch and rip 4 strips. After that, I round over all the corners of the strips with an 1/8-inch roundover bit on my palm router. Then sand everything down smooth. This is really a very safe and secure way to make these high-angle cuts. And with the jig being capable of holding both boards in place, you get a precise angle on both boards with just one cut. I had to hold the blade guard up a bit to clear the toggle clamps. However, my hands are nowhere near the blade. Now once the cut is made, the other ends get placed for a 13-degree cut to the right. The previous 77-degree angle goes against the fence as shown. Now I cut the remaining 2 slats in half. I'll use 3 of the 4 pieces in this project. Each of the 3 gets a pocket hole at each end. Since they're 3/4 inch thick, that's what I set the jig to. Now it's just a matter of lining up the rungs with my marks and gluing and screwing in the pocket hole screws. I end up with a tea towel ladder, or countertop ladder as they're sometimes called. I took 80 cents worth of material and in under an hour transformed it into a piece that's worth 31 times that amount. Now this would make a great gift, or you could make some extra money by selling them. I put a link below to plans for these ladders that also includes a private instruction video where I go into much more detail on how to build these and the simple angle cutting jig. So I've seen them online for 25 bucks. I've seen them down as low as 13 all the way up to 40. That's why I say 25. Even if you disagree with that and say it's half that, you're still making 15 times profit than what you started.